What's up guys, welcome to the channel. Today I wanted to show you guys these incredible headlights. So these are the new Morimoto XB Evo headlights. So they have two different versions. I think the standard XB and then the Evo. The Evo is a little bit higher up. It has a couple other features that make it a little bit better, including the sequential turn signals, which I love. So let's go over a couple of things on this headlight. So this is obviously a third gen Tacoma, 2016 to 2023. So these have a lot of cool options. So one of them being that if you live in a colder climate area, one of the features is that you can flash, I think 4 times to melt away the snow that's built up. So that helps when you live somewhere that's super cold and it just ices over, especially when you're driving or just in the morning when you're trying to ice them off and you're not really trying to scratch at your new headlights. So that's a cool feature you can use to defrost the ice. The other thing is the design of it. In my opinion, these are probably the best looking headlights on the market currently. And I'm going to show you a bunch of design features that kind of back that up, and let me know if you guys think these are the best as well. So let's talk about kind of the area where I think this looks best. Obviously the whole headlight looks really good, but the section that I think these lights really stand out and look the best is going to be the top line and then this corner where it's not really like continuous like the headlights that you've seen in the past, but they are separated, but there's also like a little tail in the back end here, and then it's kind of this kind of sharp design, and there's a lot of different patterns in here that kind of break up everything that looks really good. So on top we kind of have these vertical lines all across the entire top LED strip, and then this bottom one, it has some vertical lines over here, some topographic lines here, and then like little tiny cubes or dots over here to kind of complete it. And then we have like a separated like reflector style side marker, and then just a tiny strip for the side marker, which all of them are extremely bright, which Morimoto is kind of known for. Other headlights on the market have the amber option, but I think Morimoto kind of takes the prize when it comes to how bright the output is on the DRLs. Now even a little bit closer, because there is a lot going on in here and all of it is extremely cool. So on the bottom here, you'll see these fins that stick out. And that really, I didn't think that would be that cool in like the photos, but seeing it in person, I mean, that's a really cool design that they added into that really, I haven't seen on anything else. Then they have the 3 projectors. 2 of them are going to be your low beams, and then the third one will be your high beam, I think. That one turns on by itself for all of them. Either way, very cool design. And they went with a dark chrome look instead of just all black, because all black is nice for like kind of minimizing everything, and everything kind of fades away and all you see is our projectors. But I think they were going for a more bold look, so they went with the dark chrome, and I think it was a good decision on their part. So another really cool thing with these headlights is that they have, I think, 4 different modules or kind of like little connectors that you can use to change the way the headlights look and function. So this is the more like Toyota higher tier OEM headlight, where it'll illuminate when the turn signal is turned on and then retract. So that's what you'll see here. And you saw earlier the daytime running light is amber. You can also choose white as your daytime running light as well. And then you can also use this as a solid turn signal, and for any reason if you don't like the sequential turn signals, but I think the sequential is the way to go. So if you are in the market for aftermarket headlights for your Tacoma, I would highly recommend these just because of the way they function, the performance. They also have a supercharger, so that way if you wanted more out of your low beam, they have that to attach, which we did on this truck, and we did it side by side, so that way you can see the difference between one side versus the other. And there is it's hard to say if it's significant or not because we're inside with the doors and the lights off, but I'm pretty sure at night when you're just driving in the middle of the night, it's a pretty substantial difference. But we're gonna have the link to this headlight down in the description if you want to take a look at yourself. And if you have any questions, give us a call. We have a team here that can help you out, answer any questions before you make the purchase. And then obviously we can install them here in our Denver location as well. So if you are new here, subscribe to the channel, let us know what you guys want to see, and we'll try to make it for you. We'll see you guys in another video.